Hello learners and welcome back to Learnify 9. Today we are going to learn some basic concepts of force and laws of motion, which is in physics chapter of class 9th, and we're going to cover NCERT. So let us start by understanding the basics. First of all, we are going to understand what is a force. You have learned a definition of force, which is a push or a pull on an object. And as you know that an object gets into motion because it has experienced some kind of force, whether it is a frictional force, whether it is a muscular force. So force has various effects on objects, like it gives motion to stationary object, it stops a moving object, it can change the speed, direction and velocity, and can change the shape and the size. You can observe these various effects on objects in your day-to-day life. Now, have you ever wondered why the ball stops after some time when we roll it on the ground? It is because of the force which arises between the contact between the two surfaces, which is the surface of the object and surface of the ground, which is known as the frictional force. So, because of that, the ball rolls better on a smooth surface than on the rough one, because rough surface tends to have more friction. So because of that, the ball is not able to move smoothly and it experiences a stop in its motion. So friction force is the opposite to the motion of an object, or it opposes the motion of an object. Now there are two type of forces. First is balanced force. For example, imagine if there's a box or a table and you and your friend are pushing it in the opposite direction, and these are the following magnitudes which you both apply. Magnitudes is the kind of a number which is 50 Newton and 50 Newton. So remember that force unit is Newton and it is denoted by capital N. Now this kind of force are known as balanced force, where the two forces which are opposite in direction are equal in magnitude. So they cancel each other out. So the net force is zero, and because of that the object does not move. Now, there is an important note which you have to remember and understand, that force cancel each other out only when they are acting on the same object with equal magnitude. So, over here, box is the only same object from the opposite direction two equal forces are applied. So, because of that, these forces are cancelled. But when those two people apply the same magnitude of force on two different objects, then it is not going to cancel out. The next type is balanced force, which is just the opposite of balanced force. Like imagine if there's a box or a table and you and your friend are pushing it with not equal magnitude, which is 15 Newton and 17 Newton. So obviously the object will move in the left side. So yeah, so because the object will move only because it overcomes the frictional force. Now we have a question like distinguish between balanced and unbalanced forces. So this comes for like 3 marks and you have to distinguish. So these are the following points which you can write in the exam. Balanced force, two forces acting in the opposite direction are equal in magnitude as I told you, but whereas unbalanced force they are not equal, and because they are equal and acting on the same object they get cancel each other, but balanced force do not get cancelled. Net force is zero because the forces cancel each other out, but the in unbalanced force the net force is more than zero. The object stays at rest, and in unbalanced force the object gets into motion. So that is the basic concept of balanced and unbalanced forces. In the upcoming videos we can learn on the next topic in this chapter. Till then, thank you.